Assalamu Alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Welcome back to IWHAT Education. I hope you are all in the best state of health with sound Iman. In today's video, Bihidinillahi Tahaallah, I'm going to be sharing with you the outcome of my egusi soup using some of the base for the efforiro. A link to the video on how this base was made will be added to the description section below. Please kindly check it out. 500 grams of this sauce was used as a base for the egusi. With a cup of water was added, and it's time to add in the egusi. I'm using 2 handfuls of egusi, which is equivalent to 100 grams of blended egusi. It was then mixed well while it's being simmered. I'm going to let it fry a little for like 5 minutes before opening the cooker. The egusi is also ready. Alhamdulillah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Please kindly like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We do appreciate all your love and support. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lots of love. IWHAT.